Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to solve this problem using a different method, right? So first of all, let me rewrite this equation, okay? So rewriting this as we did in previous videos, we have this, right? 2023 over x plus 1 plus square root of 2023 over x minus 1, and this is equal square root of 2. So what I'm going to do in this method is to transform this equation into a system of equations. So, and to do that, I'm going to multiply this, okay, and by the negative, considering the negative of the conjugate, right? So would be this would be square root of 2023 over x plus 1 plus square root. Let's consider this our first equation. So this would be square root of 2023 over x minus 1. And then I'm going to multiply this by square root of 2023 over x plus 1 and minus square root of 2023 over x, and this is minus 1, and this is equal square root of 2 times, I have to multiply by the same element, okay? So you have 20 square root of 2023 over x plus 1, okay, minus square root here of square root 2023 over x minus 1, okay? So now we can see that this part here is similar to a minus b, which multiplies a plus b, and which is a squared minus b squared. So now what we do is we take this first term square, and the second one square. So we will have square root of 2023 over x plus 1 square minus this term square, which is square root of 2023 over x minus 1, and this is square, and this is going to be 2, which multiplies square root of 2023 over x plus 1 and minus square root of 2023 over x minus 1. Okay, so now what we do here, we cut this with this, and we have square root of 2023 over x plus 1 minus, okay, square root, we're cutting this, 2023 over x minus 1, and this is 2, which multiplies square root of 2023 over x plus 1 minus square root of 2023 over x minus 1. Okay guys, so now we keep this one, which is square root of 2023 over x plus 1 minus square root of 2023 over x minus times minus, it's plus 1, and we have equals to 2, which this is square root of 2, which multiplies square root of 2023 over x plus 1 minus square root of 2023 over x, and here, and minus 1. Okay, so now you have this and this 0, and we have 2 here, so we'll have 2 equals, well, it will be 2 equals this. So I don't want to repeat this, so I'm gonna have 2 divided by square root of 2 equals to this, square root of 2023 over x plus 1 plus, this is minus square root of 2023 over x minus 1. So guys, this one here, this is 2, right? This one here, this is 2 over square root of 2. Rationalizing, we get 2 square root of 2. This is going to be 2 square root of 2. This is going to be 2, and we're going to have only square root of 2. So now we have that this term here, this term in here, we're going to have square root of square root of 2023 over x plus 1 minus square root of 2023 over x minus 1 is going to be square root of 2. Okay, so this is our second equation. Let's call our first equation, which is this one. So we have square root of 2023 over x plus 1 plus square root of 2023 over x minus 1 as well equals to square root of 2. So we have our first equation here. Now we're going to sum both, where we can put plus here and see what happens. You see that this one and this one we cut because it's going to be the second equation, second equation plus the first one. So summing these two terms, we have adding these two terms, we have this, and this is going to be this 2023 over x, and this is going to be plus 1, and this is going to be 2 square root of 2. Okay, so 2 goes with 2, dividing by 2, we have only square root of 2023 over x, and this is plus 1. This is going to be equals square root of 2. So if I have square root of 2 here and square root of something here, you can cut this, right? So now I have square root of 2023 over x plus 1 equals 2. So now square root of 2023 over x is going to be 2 minus 1, which is 1. And then we have square root of 2023 over x equals to 1. So squaring both sides, we have 2023, okay, over x equals to 1. So it means that x is equals to 2023. This is the third way of solving this irrational equation. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.